A great way to back up files and have access to them from anywhere is through a cloud storage service called Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service provided by Google that allows users to store, sync, and share files online. It is part of the Google Workspace suite and offers features like online file editing, collaboration tools, and integration with other Google services. Google Drive stores files on Google's servers, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection and a Google account. It synchronizes files across your devices, ensuring that you have the latest version of your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files wherever you are. Google Drive allows you to share files with others, granting them permissions to view, comment, or edit the content, facilitating collaboration. You can create and edit Google Docs, spreadsheets, slides, and forms directly within Google Drive, enabling real-time collaboration. Google Drive seamlessly integrates with Gmail, allowing you to save attachments from emails directly to your Drive, and with Google Photos, where you can store photos and videos. In this module, we will cover how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that anyone with a Google account has access to. To start, open up your web browser, Google Chrome. Once it is open, you should be on a page similar to this. If not, type into the address bar google.com. Once you're on this page, you will notice your profile icon and a square of 9 dots in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on the 9 dots will open up a menu listing all of the available services that Google provides. Look for the icon that is triangular with the word Drive beneath it. Click on this icon. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage. In the center of the screen is where all recently uploaded or accessed files will be present. At the moment, there is likely nothing in your Drive as signified by the storage bar shown here. In this Google Drive, there is 1.7 megabytes used. Emails, such as your Gmail account, Google Photos, and any file uploaded to Google Drive, will all use part of the drive space. By default, you will start with 15 gigabytes of space. This can be upgraded to up to the maximum of 2 terabytes for a monthly subscription. For this demonstration, we will stick with 15 gigabytes of storage, which should be more than enough space for the basic user. Continuing up the left side of the page, you will see folders and labels: storage, trash, spam, starred, recent, shared with me, computers, my drive, home, and the new button. The storage label shows you how the space on your drive is being taken up. Here you will see a bar with different colors on it. This is a graph showing what is using space. Each color represents something. Blue represents Google Drive. If you have other files or emails using space, the application will have a color assigned to it here. Above the graph, you will see the amount of storage is used, as well as the equivalent percentage. Below the graph, you will see the option to get more storage and clean up space. The Get More Storage button will take you to a page where you can buy more space for Google Drive. The Clean Up Space button will take you to a page where you can easily delete large files and possibly some other options for deleting files. Moving down Google will show you all files stored on your drive and how much space they take up. The Trash folder is where all deleted files from your drive will be temporarily held. Notice, items moved to the trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. The Spam folder is where Google will move potentially harmful or unsolicited files to. These files are isolated from the rest of your drive. It is not recommended that you download or open these files as they could contain viruses or other harmful malware. Notice these files will be deleted after 30 days. The Starred folder is where you can see all of the files you have marked as favorites. To star a file, click on the star icon that appears when you hover your mouse over a file. Starring files can make them easier to find later. The Recent folder shows all of the folders you have accessed recently. It is sorted by how recently you viewed, modified, or uploaded. You can also see who the owner of the file is and where it is located in the drive. The Shared with Me folder shows all of the folders that have been shared with you. You can sort it by clicking on one of the bolded headers, name, and shared date. The Computers folder is where you can see all of the files on your PC if you have turned on the Syncing with Drive setting. The My Drive folder will show you all of the folders and files you have uploaded to the drive. The Home label is where you will be when you first open Google Drive. Then you have the New button. Clicking on the New button will bring up a menu where you can create folders, text documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoints, forms, and more. You can also upload a single file or a folder from this menu. Clicking on either of the upload options will bring up File Explorer. Navigate to the file you want to upload. Click on the file, then click on Open. This will cause the file to start uploading. You will know when the file has finished once the circle turns to a green check mark. Once it is uploaded, click on the Refresh button at the top left of the browser. You will now see the file in the middle of the screen. Notice you can see important information about the file, such as the name of the file, the type of file, when it was uploaded or modified, who uploaded the file, and where it is saved on the drive. At the end of the file are 3 dots. Clicking on these will bring up a menu. Here you can choose how you want to view the file, to download the file, rename the file, make a copy of the file, share the file, change where the file is located, and move the file into the trash. Another way to upload files is to drag and drop the file directly into Google Drive. First, click on the My Drive folder. Then locate the file on your PC using the File Explorer. Once the file has been located, click and drag the file over the center area of Google Drive. Then release the mouse button. This will start the upload. You can also create folders to help you organize your drive. Click on New, then click on New Folder. This will bring up a pop-up asking you to name your folder. Enter in a name here. Then click on Create. With the new folder created, you can either drag and drop files in your drive into the folder, upload new files directly to the folder, or go through the Organize option under the 3 dots.